What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. It's Mitchy boy here, and just going to show you guys how to make a wooden sign with vinyl. So I've cut out this stencil on my craft cutter, and I have just taken out the part where you want to paint the stencil, and then transferred it onto the wood like as you would with, you know, just a regular decal, just with transfer application tape. And it's got some paint here. I'm going to paint over it. And also I sanded this wood beforehand, which seemed to help with the vinyl sticking. You've got to go around the edges just to make sure it's not going to seep through, just drawing your design. But yeah, sanding it definitely helped the vinyl stick. Haven't really made many of these before, but I did like a little one yesterday. It seemed to work out all good, so just going to paint over it and then let it dry for like however long it takes to dry. I just left mine overnight, so I guess I'll do the same today. Kind of looks like it'll be real liney, but the one I did yesterday turned out pretty good, so hopefully it's today. So yeah, I'm just going to let that sit. Don't know if I put too much paint on it. Kind of looks like I have, but I don't really know what I'm doing with painting and stuff, so I guess we'll find out and learn as we go. But yeah, come back tomorrow and finish this video off and see how it turns out. Cheers for watching. Alright, so now for the moment of truth. It's been sitting for like 24 hours almost, so just going to remove this vinyl stencil. It looks kind of like it'll be real liney, like from the paintbrush, so see how it turns out. I'm pretty happy that there doesn't seem to be any paint that's kind of seeped through, but it is kind of liney. I'm no painter, so I've never really done it much painting, so but definitely chuffed about that. Sweet. So apart from that, oh, we've got to pull out that part too. Do I have a, I'll just go grab my craft knife. Alright, so, hopefully it will pull off. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Turned out pretty happy with that. Don't know about the lines, how to kind of eliminate that. So cheers for watching, subscribe if you want to see more videos, and I'll see you guys later.